No? 75.
Ate, papulo kog kuan, yapon kanang isa ka pa lang mo dito. Nanay. Oh, mo natin.
Ano di kayo? Karantay mo mo. Ano eh?
Asa ganito ko? Mo na ko.
Dali po ko.
Ang review ko. Kuan. Kulba mo ko sa ulo.
35 po gong. Ila? 35.
Ayun na lang ko.
Kami sabi. Apat din sa sinta. Tag 18. Tag 18.
Masukay ka na. Odolinim kamsamida. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Ellie.
안녕하세요.
So you have 3 sets of Jollibee, and that is all from Dongjonim.
동주님 감사합니다. Bye-bye.
Okay, eat more, Ellie, ha. Dongjonim, kamsahamnida. Annyeonghaseyo, Sarah.
안녕하세요.
You just got home from your practice?
Yes.
Okay, during the live broadcast earlier, yung Taknim gives you 1,000 allowance. And you have also 1 set of Jollibee, and that's all from yung Taknim.
용탁님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye, Sarah. Annyeonghaseyo, Desiree.
안녕하세요.
So, Desiree, you have 2 sets of Jollibee from We Paranim.
위바랑님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, enjoy your meal, Desiree.
So, we are here in the Jollibee. Who give you this one?
용탁님 위바랑님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Jerel. So you were not around during the monthly donation today, so I was the one who claimed your donations. But still, I'm going to give it to you. So Jerel, you received 1,200 pesos from Corandanim and 1 sack of rice and isa may mall sana. Okay, so what can you say to Corandanim?
거린디님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.